Look at 2VJ. He want 3,000 for his roller. Oh no, he said 3,000. He'll let his thing go as is. Do it run?
I'll trade you for that truck
Oh,
and 500
that
bucks.
truck ain't worth. Yeah, man, trade you for that truck though. He said it just needs a motor.
What year is your Stang?
He probably got one of them weak years. That was a freaking new edge.
What's a weak year, man? I don't know. I got some special places for those SNs. What is it, 93 to 98 or something?
2VJ, what year is yours?
Yeah, those are my least favorite.
What he got a 03. You don't fuck with the 03?
I don't like those as much, but I'll take whatever. I mean, I would take it, but yeah, they're not my favorite.
Yeah.
Like I love boosted GTs, one of my favorite drivers. But that fucking Mustang is ugly as fuck, bro. It's fast, but I hate that year of the Mustang. It just looks so different than every other Mustang to me.
Yeah.
It looks goofy to me. Like, what were they thinking? I guess the Fox body's kind of like that too. In 10, 15 years, that's what's going to be. It's going to be the Fox body of the future. Those 03s.
Oh, yeah.
I had them in high school. Like, in high school, those came out, and I don't know why, but I thought they were not. I did not like them for some reason. I like the Trans Ams. Those are my favorite. The WS6.
You just know it's next. I'm trying to be. You know I'm trying to be. About 10K. No, who gon' pay? I got my car fees. I'm about to make shake. About to make a shake. Yeah. I'm going up and down the tray. You know I'm about to bet the stacks. You know I'm about to bet the max. Turn up my damn car. My tune is all the way max. My tune is all the way max. I'm about to go bet all these stacks. About to make a shake. Yeah. I'm going up and down the tray. You know I'm about to bet the stacks. You know I'm about to bet the max. Turn up my damn car. My tune is all the way max. My tune is all the way max. I'm about to go bet all these stacks. I'm on the live. I'm pulling up. My car overdrive. I'm pulling up. I know you're surprised. Why? Hey. Come carve it down long time. Coming through, I know you long time. Man, I've been waiting a long time. Brothers been charging me up. Yeah, they charging me money. Yeah, they laughing at me. I know that they think that it's funny. I put up, I spend all the money. Hell yeah, I need a tune. Call all the damn shops. Shops ain't got room. I always say the pay. Trying to count out my money. Trying to count out my stacks. Man, I'm trying to get fast. Ooh, we they keep putting me last. Hell yeah, man, they do me bad. Ooh, we man, they do me bad. Ah, damn, I'm trying to go fast, though, man. Hey, I can make a shake. Yeah, I'm going up and down the track. You know I'm about to bet the stacks.
I take it back. Those Mustangs are uglier.
Turn up my damn car. My tune is all the way max. My tune is all the way max.
I take back what I said.
Okay, you take it back.
That one's ugly. Yeah, I don't like the newer ones. The new ones are getting better.
Oh, yeah, I like the new ones now.
Yeah, the new ones have more of like an old 60s muscly look to it, and I kind of like that. Whatever the generation after the 03, that's the worst one.
CJ on 32s drops 30K for a yacht party.
Now Cole's like, hey, fuck you, buddy. I got a clean one. Listen, I don't even have a fast car.
God damn, why he just don't?
Yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah, I'm trying to do a wheelie. Pull up.
Hey,
I can make a shake. Yeah. I'm going up and down the tray. You know I'm about to bet the stacks. You know I'm about to bet the max.
Dude, you need to go record another one, man. I like that song, but yeah, I've told you every time you play that for me, it makes me mad that you didn't bring me with you. Because I'd have been like, no. You get back in there and fucking do something like this.
Yeah, I ain't had that much time. I only paid for 1 hour.
That's what I said. I'm going to buy you some of that shit for your birthday or something. And then I'm going to go with you because I want to see that shit anyway. I'm going to sit in the corner and smoke weed.
Damn, they didn't let no smoking go. Can't
Really?
smoke. Yeah, gotta go to another studio.
I'll go outside. I'll go in the car real quick. I'll hotbox my car and then run back in there. What about a vape pen?
Bring some of the smell in there with you.
Bro, that was an unsmoked verse.
Unsmoked verse, dude.
That's why I knew there was something off with it.
It was off, dude.
It's different, man. It's different than when we're just freestyling at your house.
Yeah.
But it's a good song. I mean, I like jamming out to it. The beat's pretty cool.
Yeah, the beat was.
I like that little whistle or the flute or whatever it had in it.
I like it. I like
that shit.
I like it. I really, really like it. I like it. Let me see. Trying to work, they won't let me work.
So you got did you have to file an appeal for that copyright claim, or did they just offer it to you? Like, hey, we fucked up. All right, good answer. I can't hear anything. I don't know if you're talking or not.
No, I ain't talking. I'm back.
I hear you.
I'm back. Oh, I missed this beat, boy. Yo. This that beat that I could, this that behind the scene beat right here. 57 people watching online. Pull up at the track at the drop of a dime. Got the OBS truck, about to make pass. Hold up, got to see the motor and check if it's fast. I'm trying to see the charger, got the man in the gate. Ooh, that's funky time, that's the man in his face. I pull it up at the track, you know it's too late. Now, when I come here, it's never too late. Track closing at 2. I'm telling the truth. Student driver in the line. I'm back in the booth. Yeah. Foot truck. Back in the 2. Seen it up the Yello Belly. I'm acting a fool. Yeah, I'm rapping it too. Yeah, having it too. It's the lookout race and I'm back in the booth. People giving me that. Tell me what's that about. I done came to the track like it was a draft. Got my motherfucking Mustang sitting at the back. Got the tires real low like they look like they flat. Hey, got my lights on, yeah, that's HID. Hold up, let me take that back. LED, yeah, crank the car up, now you see me. Got the lights on the dash, yeah, made by Holly.